This video is brought to you by 0and9.com. They have Windows keys on their site retailing for as cheap as $16, and they also deal in things like games, Microsoft Office, and gift cards for every platform: PS4, Xbox, PC, and even Nintendo. So yeah, check them out from the link down below and help the channel out.
It's delicious.
Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from Techdroids, and in today's video I take you guys to the best budget, value for money $300 gaming PC build you can do for the last quarter of 2018. Now this one's going to be totally worth your money and it can do a lot. Although it's only $300 and I know you cannot expect a lot, this is totally worth the money, and with some future upgrades this can become your daily driver. This can become the beast that can play any game on the market. So in this video I take you guys to the parts you need to build this PC, and towards the end we'll talk about the performance numbers and benchmarks and things like that. So if $300 is your budget, you should keep watching this video till the end, and also hit the like button and subscribe, and all the parts mentioned in this video will be linked down below to Amazon US, and those are affiliate links. So if you want to help the channel out and in turn help me make more videos, go ahead and buy from those. And with that being said, let's get on with it. For the CPU, we have the AMD Ryzen 3 2200G, which also comes with Radeon Vega 8 graphics. So this is an APU for $99. It's a 4-core CPU with 4 threads with a base clock of 3.5 GHz and a boost of 3.7. It is overclockable, but it also has an 8-core Vega 8 GPU at 1100 MHz, and for $99 this is a steal deal. How's that CPU? We have the Gigabyte GA AB350M-DACE3H. Mouthful of a name, but this is a AM4 B350M motherboard in the Micro ATX form factor. It has 4 DDR4 slots, HDMI, M.2 and USB 3.1, and you can also overclock as it is a B350 chipset, and it also supports RGB fusion, so your PC will also look good in the process. And this retails for only $49.99, one of the best budget motherboards out there. Now for RAM, we have 8 GB of Patriot Signature DDR4. So yeah, two 4 GB sticks at 2666 MHz, and for $65, RAM pricing is coming back to normal, and 8 GB in dual channel will really help in Ryzen APU performance, and this should get the job done in 2018 for light gaming and just modern day-to-day productivity tasks. And if you want to upgrade in the future, there's 4 slots. Go ahead and upgrade to your heart's content. Now for storage, we have the 120 GB Crucial BX500 SSD. Not going for a hard drive here, and I know 120 GB is not a lot, but this will be really fast. 300 MB plus read and write, costs only $27.99, so again a steal deal. To power this whole build up, we have the EVGA 500W W1, which is a 80+ White certified power supply with a 3-year warranty. And yeah, 80+ White certification means you get 80% plus efficiency at all times, and for $32, again this is a steal deal. Complete this whole build up, we have the Thermaltake Versa H34, which is a ATX mid-tower case with a clear side panel, USB 3.0, audio jacks, and yeah, it has got the space. And for $39.99, I think this is one of the best value for money cases out there. That's about it for the parts. Now let's talk about performance and some future upgrades. Performance on this $300 build is going to be good, but keep your expectations for a $300 build. This is for the esports gamer. Without a dedicated GPU, this is for people who want to play CSGO, Rocket League, Dota 2, League of Legends, World of Warcraft, the games that don't require a lot of power. If you want to do something, if you want a PC to do office work or school work, productivity, things like that, photo editing, light video editing, it's all possible on this PC. And yeah, maybe with some future upgrades with a GTX 1050 Ti or a 1060 or a better GPU, PC will rock. It will get you again 60 FPS, medium to max settings, 1080p monitor AAA titles. But yeah, you have to spend the extra money and get the GPU later on. But right now, this $300 build will get the job done. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and smash the like button. Also, check out 0and9.com. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification thingy so you don't miss out on future uploads. All the parts are down below. So yeah, again, go ahead and check them out to help the channel out. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.